Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to blend your images in Canva. So first of all, we start by going to a blank page. So after a blank page, we just upload two photos. So let's say that we want to add a photo of your city and a photo of a man. Let's say this is the photo of a man. So first we can just remove the background. So how are we gonna blend these two things together? Say if you want to blend this image along with this image. So first we will go to apps, then search blend image. After searching blend image, we press blend image. Afterwards, we click on this man first. So top layer, then the bottom layer. Then press use selected image. So add to screen. So here you can see the image is already blended with the other image. You can see that the man is already blended to the city. So that's how simple it is. Or we can try blending a lot of things. So this one is see, that's how we do it. Just add to the sign, then scroll up, then zoom in. You can see that the image is already blended with the city itself. So that's how simple it is to blend an image in Canva. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.